The latest iPhone 17 Pro in orange, also available in the bigger Pro Max. By now you've probably seen it around everywhere, but have you seen it in the latest tech woven cases by Apple, in all the angles you need? Since the photos online just don't do it justice, I'll be fitting it in all 5 colors. I'll also be sharing my thoughts on it after 5 months of use. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. First up is blue. Things you'll notice, the buttons are darker than the rest of the case, and the sides of a subtle micro texture you could definitely feel. It actually helps with a grip. Blue and orange actually complement each other. You get the contrast of cool and warm. You get a thicker texture in the back, which is very satisfying to touch. You also get a light contrast of dark and midtones with this pairing. Apple's cases have also never failed to show off the phone's color on all sides. This includes the front of the case towards the edge. You'll notice it throughout the video. For the orange iPhone, I think it works beautifully, as long as you love seeing orange. If you want dark without going black, this is the color to go. Blue matches more fits compared to the purple case you'll see, if that matters to you. There it is, purple. Somewhat blends with orange, being the color between warm and cool. There's that textured edge, keeping my phone from slipping away and my fingers from accidentally pressing the camera control button. It's actually a darker purple even next to the purple silicone case, so you get the contrast with orange. A bit darker in person. I tried my best to darken it post-edit. Take a look. A beautiful purple that's not too intense, so you can use it daily. Green. More of a grassy green, having that drop of yellow to keep it a midtone. I like how the camera control button's covered and your swiping gestures still transfer for that convenient zoom, which honestly I've turned off, but a lot of people don't even know it's there. It also seems like people don't use it much. What do you think? It's been a must-have for Halo gamers, because they've been making this their Master Chief combo. If you know what I mean, you can never unsee it again. Either way, it's a fun pairing for earth tones. Check it out. Black. You can never go wrong with it. It looks good with all iPhone colors, and I'll have a video for each of those. Straight up contrast with this phone, making orange pop while keeping it minimal. I must say, tech woven cases are probably the most durable cases Apple's made so far. Super scratch resistant too, especially the back with the thicker weaving. It doesn't chip like the silicone cases when you drop it. It's like the complete opposite of their first attempt with the fine woven cases of the 15 Pro era. Great job on the quality, Apple. Sienna. My favorite and most used of all of them, because it's the most earthy of them all, being closest to brown. It's light but has a hint of red. Beautifully done. Tech woven isn't the thinnest nor the thickest case, so it gives moderate protection. The texture definitely shows more on light colors like these. and it blends with orange the most. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Overall, these tech woven cases feel like what Apple was trying to do before, but finally got it right. You're getting durability, moderate drop protection, and a texture that actually improves the grip without looking bulky. After about 5 months of use, they've held up extremely well, especially compared to the old fine woven cases. My personal ranking from most used to least used: Sienna first, then blue, green, black, and purple last. But honestly, there's one here for every mood and every outfit. If you want something premium, different from silicone, and more durable than you'd expect, these are definitely worth considering. I hope this helped you choose. If it did, like the video, and let me know in the comments which color you'd pick. Subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.